Hi guys, it's Mohammed. My case was about Marbury versus Madison. Introduction. Marbury versus Madison legal case in which on February 24, 1803, the U.S. Supreme Court first declared an act of Congress unconstitutional, thus establishing the doctrine of judicial review. The court's opinion, written by Chief Justice John Marshall, is considered one of the foundations of U.S. constitutional law. Some key characters in this case are William Marbury, appointed by John Adams to be Justice of the Peace right at the end of his term. James Madison, Secretary of State under Thomas Jefferson, refused to deliver Marbury commissions. John Adams, President leaving office. John Marshall, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Thomas Jefferson, newly elected President. The story of the case. In the weeks before Thomas Jefferson's inauguration as president in March 1801, the Federalist Congress created 16 new circuit judges, an unspecific number of new judgmentships, which Adams proceeded to fill with Federalists in an effort to preserve his party's control of the judiciary and to frustrate the legislative agenda of Jefferson and his Republican Party. Because he was among the last of those appointments, William Marbury, a Federalist Party leader from Maryland, did not receive his commission before Jefferson became president. Once in office, Jefferson directed his Secretary of the State, James Madison, to withhold the commission, and Marbury petitioned the Supreme Court to issue a writ of mandamus to compel Madison to act. Marbury and his lawyer, former Attorney General Charles Lee, argued that signing and sealing the commission completed the transaction and that delivery in any event constituted a mere formality. The Supreme Court agreed to hear the case Marbury versus Madison in its February 1803 term, and the decision was in favor of Madison. It was decided that Marbury would not become a justice of the peace. Chief Justice John Marshall, writing for an unanimous court, denied the petition and refused to issue the writ. Although he found that the petitioners were entitled to give their commissions, he held that the Constitution did not give the Supreme Court the power to issue writs of mandamus. Section 13 of the Judiciary Act of 1789 provided that such writs might be issued, but that section of Act was inconsistent with the Constitution and therefore invalid. The impact and outcome of this case is the immediate effect of decision was to deny power to the court. Its long-run effect has been to increase the court's power by establishing the rule that It is emphatically the province and duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. Since Marbury versus Madison, the Supreme Court has been the final attributor of the constitutionality of congressional legislation. That means the Supreme Court was the final judge of whether a law was constitutional or not. Okay, that concludes my presentation. Thank you.